Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's makeup look I'm gonna show you how to do this very glamorous, sophisticated and glittery makeup look. I really love how the look turned out, so I hope that you'll like it much as I do. To begin, I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadow base at the moment, and this is by Louise in the shade 05. It's a very light eyeshadow base, as you can see here, but you can use any eyeshadow base that you like, or even a concealer. This is just to stick the eyeshadows in the place and make them more vibrant. And next, to create this makeup look, I'm gonna use this neon palette by Huda Beauty. I'm using the green one. Oh my god, this palette is amazing and I really love the product. So to begin, I'm gonna use this peachy pinkish shade, and I'm gonna apply in my inner corner, outer corner, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna apply in my crease. And to apply, I'm gonna use a smaller fluffy brush. This is a new brush by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see, because I love this brush and I really recommend for you to try this out. Next, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna pick up this creamy beige matte eyeshadow to apply below my brows, just to highlight a little bit and make everything look matte and also more blended. To apply, I'm using a short shader brush, and next I'm gonna pick up a warm brown eyeshadow from the same palette, Rose Gold Edition by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna place it just in the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes with an even smaller blending brush. And I'm gonna smudge it out, this just to create more depth and dimension in this look. Without any more product, I'm gonna apply just what's left in the brush in my crease, just to blend it out even better. And next, from the same neon palette that I was using before, I'm gonna apply this shimmery glittery eyeshadow just in the center of the eyelids. And this eyeshadow is very beautiful. I really love it. I think it looks so good in my eyes. So I'm gonna apply just in the center of my eyelid using a normal eyeshadow brush. And to create a more glamorous effect, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, and this Reflect Gold by MAC is a really fine glitter. That's why I like so much. So I'm gonna apply again just in the center using the same brush as before. And from here, I decided to add the same glitter in the tear duct of my eyes, just to highlight a little more. So from here, your makeup can be done already, or you can apply lots of mascara or even fake lashes. I'm gonna do a very big cat eye today, so I'm gonna apply my favorite gel liner, and this is by Sigma Beauty in the shade Wicked. It's very pigmented, waterproof, and amazing. So I'm gonna draw the lines in my cat eye effect today using a very good eyeliner brush, also by Sigma, that I'm gonna link down below for you guys, because this brush is so good. The application of eyeliner with this brush is amazing, and I really recommend you to try this out. So this is how my eyes look after the eyeliner and also the fake lashes. And now I'm gonna do my skin. So I'm gonna use the All Nighter foundation by Decay. I love this foundation so much, and I'm gonna mix with the Fársali Rose Gold elixir in my beauty blender to have a better application, and also to moisturize a little, because this foundation is matte. So I'm gonna spread it out all over my face, neck and chest to make everything looks the same. For concealer, I'm gonna use Radiance Cream Concealer by NARS, and I'm gonna apply in my under eyes and also everywhere I want to highlight in my face. And for contour, today I'm gonna use the Cream Contour by Huda Beauty. I love this product, it's one of the best that I have ever used. And I'm gonna mix with a little bit of Fársali Rose Gold Elixir again. I'm gonna apply a few drops in my cream contour and mix well. So I'm gonna apply my face with a small brush just to concentrate the product everywhere I want to contour. This is my contour combo. I really love this Huda Beauty contour because You can blend out so well and very easily, so it's a very good product because the texture is amazing and so easy to blend, and also how it looks in your skin is so beautiful. And when I want to create a more natural effect, I just mix a few drops of the rose gold elixir. And to blend everything together, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender as before, but I'm gonna be careful to not blend too much because here in this look today we want this contrast in the highlighting shades and the sculpt shades. And this is the final result for my blended skin. As you can see, it looks amazing. I really love this contour and the mix of all these products. And to set everything and bake, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier translucent powder. And after 5 minutes, I'm gonna remove the excess product with my favorite brush, and this is Spotlight Duster by Sigma. For blush, I'm gonna use Baldy by Melt Cosmetics, and this is a very beautiful color but very pigmented as well, so I'm gonna use the same brush that I used before to dust off my powder, and I'm gonna apply just a little tiny bit in my cheeks. As you can see, it's very pigmented already, and I even removed the excess product from my brush. But it looks so good if you blend it so well. And next I'm gonna apply my favorite highlighter at the moment, and this is also by Melt Cosmetics. Oh my god, look this color! This is Stargazer, and I'm gonna apply it just in the highest point of my face using a Fawn Strobing Brush by Sigma, and this is very pigmented, so I'm gonna add a little at a time. For lip liner, I'm gonna use Hex by Melt Cosmetics, and this lip liner is so good. You can even use this lip liner as lipstick because it lasts longer, but today I'm gonna use just in the edges of my lips and remove the excess with the tip of my fingers to give me a more natural effect. And next I'm gonna use the new launch by Sigma Beauty, and this is Behold Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, this liquid lipstick is amazing. I really love the formula. It's stunning and very hydrating. Even though it looks matte and all the colors are amazing, lasts longer, so I really recommend for you to try. This is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. Follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah! Bye!